Hi, this car is 9 years old. Can you believe it? It's never been detailed until Otis and I will detail beautifully this car. 3 hours of handwork, buffing, shining, and I'm back in business. Thank you, Otis, for a great job. I will try my best to bring all my friends to you. Thank you again.
Detail shop. And we got cup holders that need to be cleaned, so we remove all the stuff out of here. We want to remove this whole console, remove all the trash. Look at all that trash in there. We want to remove all that. So what we do is take the ball apart and remove that and take these out, each side, this particular car. And then you lift this up. Yeah, and then you remove the whole thing. Then it's this one line. You take this off. Take this. See, it's removed. So you take the whole thing, take it outside the car. Just take it outside the car, and now you can clean it better. It's a ribbon inside. Oh, the ribbon is over on the outside right here, so you clean this ribbon here. All right, this is the ribbon. You want to clean it while you got it off. The car looks brand new when they shift the gears and every angle. You cleaning the ribbon every angle. So, oh, sorry. And while you're at it, see those crumbs up against the butt up there? We're just gonna get those crumbs, get rid of them as well. Go through all these corners while you got it down. Through all the corners. Yep. Out of these cracks, see all the cracks. So we're just cleaning it on out. Every crack needs cleaning. So that's why we take it apart. So we get down dirty. All right, that's it. Okay, we're just gonna put a little bit of baby oil there. This is what I suggest to an older car that has no more nothing left in it, no lubricant in the plastic. So we dropped a little of this baby oil down in there, and it's gonna get into every crack. If it's good enough for a baby, it's good enough for this car. And it's not gonna harm anything, to be honest with you. It's not gonna harm anything, so you have at it. Now, this take 2, cut that, and we wanna put it in every little crack. Just regular baby gel, baby oil, all gel, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna take the brush, put it in every corner. You put it in every corner, so when you do cleaning back up, it'll be already in every corner. You got any thing in the corners, like take a screwdriver and just take that screwdriver and just work it. Don't scratch it, just rub it down the edge of it and get the little particles that's inside. Get those little particles in them corners. Yeah, and just work it all the way around all these corners, all these little crevices. Yeah, you want to work that oil in there. Once that oil get in there, it won't look, you won't see the crevices, the marks of crevices ever again, till it get dirty again. Because what we're gonna do, we're gonna actually clean this up with a towel that has a little bit of the lubricant on it. See how good it look? You can't see the corners. The corners are all cleaned up. See, you just have to dry them out. See, each corner gonna look good. Okay, all right. Same go to all of it. There you go. Okay, for the ribbon, you get maybe 2 drops. There you go. 2 drops. Oh, too much. That's just too much. But we can work it in. We can work it in. You want to work it in the ribbon. This is gonna show up, make it look brand new when it be in its place. You want to work it everywhere it can work. So when you put it back in, it'll be all nice, pretty. And you take the towel, wipe the excess off, and that's gonna make it clean all the way. We usually blow it, but it's no need to blow it. We have an air gun that we blow, but I'm just trying to show you what I'm using all the professional air guns. This is something you can do at home. You can do this yourself. You don't need to call a detailer to do the detail work. All right. Now we're going to put it back together. We're going to start putting everything back together the way we got it. So what we do is we're going to line the console back up. And the first thing we do, we're going to plug the electrical parts back up first. This one has one electrical component to it, and we're going to plug that up. Snaps in. See there, it snaps in. So just line this back up with that. Line it back up, and it all snaps back in here. Line it up good, and then just put a little pressure on it. Then that's it. Then put these side pieces back on. They just snap right on. Now. And you screw that back on like that. It's all cleaned up and put in point. And that's it. And that's cleaning the console. You got the whole console cleaned up. Remember the trash? Remember that part? Well, it's gone. It's gone. And we clean the steering wheel up and everything. All right? Yeah, you don't need much to clean your car with just a little baby gel from this little baby. That's all we need. It don't cost you very much to clean your car and make it look professional. So hey, thank you for watching. All right, please hit like and share it with your friends. We really could use your help. Okay, thank you.